What's up, guys? It is super early. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like 5:30 in the morning, but we have some activities planned. We're doing something a little different today. Got a pretty cool car cruise planned out. You guys stay tuned. Let me know what you think. We should do more content like this. And just drop down below real quick and like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys. You can see the moon up there? Probably not. GoPro problems. Cool, here we go. Alright guys, so let's pause the music because this is important. So we're out here, we're on the back of the Dragon right now. So not the tail of the Dragon, but the back of the Dragon. I actually just found out this existed. And I really wanted to capture this for you guys. Got my buddy Lance in front of us in his SS Camaro. And then buddy Alex behind us on his Harley Davidson V-Rod. It's actually about 85, 86 degrees out here. There is a sheriff up here. Yeah, I see you, buddy. But yeah, doing the back of the Dragon today. I believe I get you guys some good content. So I just learned that the Dragon is a 400-mile loop. The back of the Dragon, I believe, is only about 30-some miles. I hear some people say that the back of the Dragon might be better than the tail of the Dragon. Guess it's only one way to find out. I haven't done the tail yet, but I know I'm gonna do it one day. Love those crisp shifts. On my to-do list for this car is a transmission tune, so one of these days. Look at these cows up here. Oh, you can't see them. One of them, like, I think one of them mounted the other one.
Oh, no. It's like Discovery Channel.
Past a sheriff, but it's pretty crazy. Even with the tight curves and stuff, it's still 55 out here, so there's that.
Maybe that's why it's considered an autobahn.
Wow, it's 25 for the next 25 mile an hour now. I could just imagine when they were paving this road. They were like, okay, here's what we're gonna do. And just slaps a map on the table.
Oh, this is a freehand.
Yeah. Just let their kid draw something. They're like, that'll work.
They got sheriffs going through here.
Yeah, there's a lot of sheriffs going through here.
But it's still 55.
My GPS says it's 55 in here.
That's still crazy.
Really nice drive though. Supra loves it.
Drive, not ride.
Passenger hates it.
God. I feel like I'm on a roller coaster. Sheesh. Gosh, dang, these curves are aggressive.
Wild that people live on this.
I can't. It's wild that people drive 55 on this. This is crazy.
driving through this though really reminds me of Gatlinburg, Tennessee. The roads like that, the roads there are just like this. Such a good time. But I don't think the speed limit's 55 on those. My boy's taking an 18 wheeler through here. Good for you. Another Supra. GR Corolla, okay.
Dang, Greg would have loved this too. Might have to redo this with a group of people from the Supras.
True. I don't know what I have in the trunk, but it's noisy back there.
Fan.
Oh yeah.
I think we need to go from the way back.
Lance is slowing me down a little bit, but I'm okay with that. I think it's keeping me it's kind of keeping me at bay a bit. And you can still have fun and not, while not having to push it to the limit.
But you want to push it to the limit. You want to see what the Supra can do.
And actually, so this is our first time doing this, but we were on a road earlier and we thought we had already started, well, I thought we had already started the dragon. So I recorded that. I'll likely include some clips of that in here. And yeah, I mean, I thought I had already started the course, but those were some pretty nice roads as well. And I mean, these roads are in great condition, so that's helpful. So got some views, got some shade, elevation change, of course. And the atmosphere here is really cool.
Oh my god, yeah. Oh, Jesus. I think Alex needs to go up front. He would really be having a joyride with the bike.
True. Down below, guys, let me know what you guys think about the POV footage. If there's
Why should we make my POV
things that I can do better next time around.
I think I need to record passenger point of view footage. That would be wild. Boom, 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 boom.
Brand new Kumos up front, 275s. In the rear, I got 4Ss, 295s. And they seem to hug the road really well. Minimal road noise. The brakes, while the pads give off a lot of dust, they seem to do fairly well also. Lowered on Swift springs. That's pretty much it for suspension mods, and she seems really level, like flat around the corners. It's just a good ride. If you go off the road here, though, your day is not going to be good.